Today, we ride horseback to the magnificent El Limon Waterfall in Samaná.
This is my first time.
Is your first time horseback riding?
First time ever.
Wow, you look good up there. Au naturel, how you feel?
I feel awesome.
Beautiful.
Yes.
And I'm gonna be safe on this guy.
Yes.
Is he big enough for me? All right, we're going horseback riding
Okay.
right now. Beautiful scenery though, isn't it? Look at this, just beautiful.
The trail to the falls is lined with giant ferns and huge trees, adding to the tropical ambience.
This is what you want to do when you're part of the horseback ride, is to come check out this waterfall. Is this unbelievable?
Of the many waterfalls on the Samaná Peninsula, El Limón is the most spectacular. Nestled deep in a thick palm forest, the falls cascade 150 feet into a deep pool of water.
And remember, at WestJet Vacations, it's all about your experience.
Call your travel agent or visit westjetvacations.com.